And finally, the last topic that we will going to discuss is the gluconeogenesis. So gluconeogenesis is the metabolic process by which organisms produce the glucose for catabolic reactions from non-carbohydrate precursors. So gluconeogenesis is much likely to glycolysis, only the process occurs in reverse and with exceptions. So the pathway is similar but not identical to the pathway for glycolysis. Why so? It is because glycolysis is the breaking of glucose. Again, glycolysis is the breaking of glucose, while gluconeogenesis is the creation of glucose. So it occurs in liver and kidney. So a while back, si gluconeogenesis, nag-a-occur siya sa liver and kidney. Yung dalawang topic kanina na si glycogenesis and glycogenolysis, nag-a-occur siya sa liver cell and muscle cells. Dito naman, si gluconeogenesis occurs in liver and kidney, stimulated by diabetogenic hormones like glucagon, growth hormone, epinephrine, and cortisol. So this is the pathway for gluconeogenesis. It is similar but not identical to the pathway for glycolysis. So there are steps involved in the process of gluconeogenesis. So the first step is the gluconeogenesis is the conversion of pyruvate to phosphoenolpyruvic acid or PEP. In order to convert pyruvate to PEP, there are several steps and several enzymes required. So these enzymes are pyruvate carboxylase, PEP carboxykinase, and malate dehydrogenase are the three enzymes responsible for this conversion. Pyruvate carboxylase is found on the mitochondria and converts pyruvate into oxaloacetate. Again, pyruvate carboxylase is found on the mitochondria and kino-convert niya sa pyruvate into oxaloacetate. So the second step that differs from glycolysis is the conversion of fructose 1,6-bisphosphate to fructose 6-phosphate with the use of the enzyme fructose 1,6-phosphatase. The conversion of fructose 6-phosphate to glucose 6-phosphate uses the same enzyme as glycolysis, phosphoglucoisomerase. So, from fructose 6-phosphate, makakonvert siya sa glucose 6-phosphate. So the last step that differs from glycolysis is the conversion of glucose 6-phosphate to glucose. Yan. So from fructose 6-phosphate, I should say, to glucose 6-phosphate, and after glucose 6-phosphate, mako-convert na siya finally into glucose with the enzyme glucose 6-phosphatase. So this enzyme is located in the endoplasmic reticulum. So ito ang isang slide na nagpapakita ng conversion of glyconeogenesis into glucose. Ayan si pyruvate, oxaloacetate. So from oxaloacetate, kino-convert siya ni phosphoenolpyruvate carboxykinase into phosphoenolpyruvate. So these are all the topics that involve the production of glucose in glycogen synthesis and its degradations.